All right, everybody. I thought them damn stairs were a workout. Now we're going up. Oh my God. If y'all don't hear from me in a day or two, come looking for me. These stairs are gonna be the death of me. See any eyeballs? Nope. No eyeballs. No big feet. Holy shit, what a view. Wow. Yeah, well, you know the old saying, no pain, no gain. Oh, look, more stairs. I'm wearing out, y'all. Almost there. And my legs feel like jelly. Woo! Okay. Houston, we made it. Holy shit. Alright, well, I guess we just gotta wait now. Wow, long ways down. Bye, y'all. Woohoo from Texas Harris here at the top. The rest area, I-74 outside of Peoria, Illinois. Waiting for the moon. Talk to you later. Bye.